Okay, but the other big stock on our radar is Biocon. They came out with their earnings slightly subdued on the revenue front. That's the reason why the stock is under a bit of pressure. Kiran Mazumdar Shaw, the CMD of the company, now joins us. Hi, Kiran, and thanks so much for joining us. First, focusing a bit on your margins. It looked quite positive at 23.8%, but that is on account of the R&D spend being lower, and you in your press conference indicated that the spend on R&D will go up. So what, according to you, will be the sustainable margin range that we could assume going forward, at least for the next few quarters?
Yeah, so I think, in terms of margin rates being sustainable, I think we are endeavoring to keep this margin rate at these levels. I think in terms of R&D spends, where you have seen a reduced R&D spend this quarter, it's largely attributable to the clinical trial environment in India, where we've had to basically either put on hold or defer a large number of This is just a temporary, reduction in R&D spends, which are likely to increase over the coming quarters. Having said that, I would also like to say that the last quarter you did see a spike in revenues, which were attributable to winning certain global tenders, which were not obviously repeated this quarter. But the order book for Q4 is strong, and we are very confident that we will end the year on a strong note.
You said that you're looking to maintain margins at these current levels. Now, if your R&D, spend goes up, what will be the operating leverage which will kick in, which will help you maintain margins at current level? And secondly, could you tell us what would be the percentage of R&D as a percentage of your sales that you're looking to target, or we can expect in the coming 2 quarters?
See, generally speaking, our R&D spends are between 6 to 8% of our biopharma sales. And you can see that being reflected in the 9 months numbers thus. Have put into place some measures for incrementally expanding our capacity, which should kick in from Q4 onwards. So we are looking at getting a better product mix, better margin realization, less reliance on our low margin statins business. So I think this is a work in progress, but it is beginning to deliver for us, which is already indicated this quarter. But going forward, I think we should be able to sustain these margins. So we are really focusing on margins more than top line. So I think that's the story that we're trying to develop. Because the real, huge growth, drivers will only come in once our Malaysia facility is fully operational, and when our ANDA vertical is fully operational. So we do intend to file our first ANDA later this year.
Unfortunately, Kiran, we're running out of time. Thanks so much for joining us, and we wish you good luck. Pleasure speaking with you.